Hello. So I'm talking about design tools. So there are various design tools. For example, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Sketch Concepts, and Canva. Canva is one of the leading design tool in the design industry. So what's the difference between Canva and Illustrator, Photoshop is Canva has pre-built templates and uh, uh, pre-built templates and these whiteboards documents. You can get templates for uh, every design in Canva, but in the case of Illustrator and Photoshop, everything will be started from scratch, built from scratch. So, for example, let us start with the uh, so these are the templates. For example, there's a document, there's a whiteboard, there's a presentation. We can create presentations like a PowerPoint presentation in Canva, and we can export it using the presentation exporter. For example, this Apple Vision Pro PPT is about 10 slides, and I just used a magic transition for each slide, and I can export it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let us see a small example of it. So, and there are transitions. We can change the colors. There are elements we can add. Text we can add. We can upload images and we can insert in the presentation. We also have different designs on the template. For example, there's an introductory page, agenda page, about the company page, and various bulletin points pages and thank you page, etc. Uh, and there is a document. We can create Instagram stories, Facebook posts. There's cards, flyers, Instagram reels, Facebook covers, resumes, planners, portraits and landscape cards, Instagram stories, portraits, infographics, etc. There are a lot more templates in Canva. We can also create brochures, graphs, video. Editing is possible with Canva. So there are two Canva products. One is a free product and another is a paid product. So what's the benefit of the paid product is we can get a lot more resources like infographics, etc. Uh, so let me create a square invitation. Uh, there are a lot more templates like uh, so, okay, uh, so we can just use this template and we can just save the dates. See, this is a these two are images we can use. We can change the text types. There are so many text types in Canva, and the one with the yellow marker on them are only can be used with the paid versions. We can use any font we prefer. It's totally up to us. We can change the color using text tool. What's the advantage of Canva is this photo color option will be available based on the template. So this template has the color spectrum of green to pink. So we have the each picture consists of a five color palettes of each color they represent, and this is the font size options we can. For example, if we use it to area, we can keep the text bold, italic, underlined, strike through. We can change the case sizes, and there is alignment to left align, justify, right align, and center. We can use bullets. There are effects such as we can drop a shadow. Let me just create a simple presentation. Let us create an annotation. So let's add a text using T tool. If you press T and click anywhere on the artboard, you'll get a text box. Let's say hello world, and we can change the text bold. Um, Once you Control C and Control V, you'll get a. So we can duplicate this multiplier. So we can have bold, we can have italics, we can have underlined, we can have strike throughs, we can change the upper and lower cases. So there are effects in Canva. Every design tool has effects tab. So with the FX tab, we can drop shadows. So we can change the offset. Offset means the direction of the shadow. So if it's zero, we can't see anything. If it's 100, it will be down. Direction, you can change the directions. We can use the blur value to adjust the blur of the shadow. And transparency is to set transparency. We can have different shadow colors too. Uh, this is one of the effects tab, and there are a lot more effects like this glitch, neon, echoes, splice, outline, and hollow. Uh, and there is transparency too. You can adjust the transparency based on your design. This is arrange tab. If you have, for example, if I have, let me just create a shape. So for a shape, we can just go to elements. I'll just add a couple of shapes. Just change the color to different for identification. So with arrange to I mean the position to, we can change the arrangement. For example, purple is stacked over gray, gray is stacked over teal. If we change the position, we can stack these elements in different positions. These are the basic functions of Canva. And so in animate, we can change the transition effects of each elements. I'll just show you a little example of a project I created. Um, So this is a birthday template I just created. So there is text elements, there is image element, and there is few infographics. So for the image tab, we can directly import any picture, just like that, or we can just add a frame. So these are the frames. For example, let me take this circular frame, and when I hover my image over to the frame, it just automatically snaps its place to the image, and the image takes over the shape of the frame. And I can resize the frame. Once I double click on the frame, I can just move my picture to however I want to place it. Let me take a bigger picture. So I can just move my image and show a particular thing. This is how image works. So let's play this uh, transition the portrait. So this is how a transition portrait works. Thank you.